Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
The Siddiqui scandal by focusing on the defamation case.
व्हडले आरोप 100 कोटीचो क्लेम केला ताका अपॉलॉजी दिवची पडटली तसो मनीस असो मनीस.
They tried to even attack Arvind Kejriwalji's wife also, पण त्यांच्याकडे ते झाले ना, कित्याक आम्ही तशें वागना. जशें सांगलें, फक्त सिद्दीकी केसाच्या डायवर्ट करपा खातीर ही डिफेमेशन केस तांणी घातली. आणि डिफेमेशन केस घालपाची ही एक्चुअली भारतीय जनता पार्टीची स्पेशालिटी. 90% of defamation cases in political issues are filed by Bharatiya Janata Party. So this is why BJP filed the defamation case against our MP Sanjay Singh. Second reason also why I feel they have filed the defamation case. आता January end किंवा February starting up दिल्ली election आसा आणि आमचो member of parliament Shri Sanjay Singh, he is one of the star campaigners of the party. Taka asल्या केसेनी गुंतलावन they want to waste his time and stop him from campaigning in Delhi. कित्याक कॉन्फरन्स जाली दिल्लीक, संजय सिंग रावता दिल्लीक, केस खंय फायल केल्या बिचोले. सो फक्त संजय सिंगाक कसो तरी बिचोले हाडून थंय कॅम्पेनिंगान ताचो टाइम वेस्ट करून असो कितें तरी एक प्रयत्न आमकां दिसता. आता now the complainant, the CM's wife, will have to present evidence. तिका पुरावे दिवचे पडटले आता की संजय सिंगाच्या तोंडांच्यान कितें उतरां एक्झॅक्टली आयली.